This is the GOORY women's v-neck tank top. So this is a little button-down casual cami, perfect for summer and multiple ways you can wear it. So you can see I've got it tied at the front, kind of tucked in all the way through. You can adjust those straps too if you want it a little bit more secure or with a little higher neckline. So really love that this is adjustable all the way through, and I've done it in a black, but they do have multiple other colors with some that are lined as well if that's what you're after. This is super lightweight for summer. I love the buttons. They are functioning. You wear it outwards for kind of a looser look, or you can tuck it in like I'm doing here. That's personally my favorite way because I feel like it's a little bit more form-fitting. 100% polyester, and you can style it, kind of dress it up, or you can just pair it down with jeans or even jean shorts. Very kind of versatile piece, and they have a great size selection. I'm wearing the large here, and it comes in size small through 2XL. Check it out.